Got a update here, a pretty big one. Check this out. These are green onions. See how all the seed pods are stuck to the tops? It's pretty cool, huh? They'll fall off once it gets bigger. But yeah, I'm gonna have a good bit of onions. Here is the first Trinidad scorpion pepper. They are doing great. Here's the second guy, and this one. Alright, so this is a picture of the elephant ear plant that I put in the backyard. I'll put a picture of what the seed looks like. It looks like a coconut, so you dig a nice size hole. And this is a picture of the plant, if you don't know what that looks like. So it's going to be this big ass jungle plant thing outside my window, I'm hoping for. But my stepdad ran over it with the lawnmower, so you can see the top of it is sliced. Thanks, Eric. And yeah, check these guys out. When you look at them, I mean, they look similar, right? And they are, but they're not the same. These are Brussels sprouts, and this is cabbage. I mean, Brussels sprouts are like mini cabbages, right? And I mean, I don't really see a difference. These leaves in the middle are bigger. Maybe they're just growing faster because those look like true leaves. Planted a lot of stuff using these, and I put them in the shed. And the ones that started to grow first, I pulled them out, and I kind of forgot about the other ones. So that being said, look at this melon sprout.
Queen Latifah looking motherfucker.
I could show you guys the seed packets, but yeah, and that's a lemon pepper. We'll see how those grow. I had a bunch of lettuce sprouts, and I mean, I put 4 in each hole, the seeds, but they were like so tiny that I put a bunch. So I'm gonna have to separate these into their own containers, but that's how they're doing. All right, and last but not least, we have pickles. The variety of cucumbers that are smaller, and these are doing great as well. So these were obviously the containers that I put the seeds in. I need to, the next video you'll see they'll all have their own containers and everything. Everything's real clustered right now, so I got some work to do. All right, thanks guys, we'll see you next time.